In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Facebook Marketplace listings on vacation mode with this quick and easy tutorial. If you're heading out on a trip or simply need a break from managing your listings, using vacation mode is a great way to pause your activity without having to take everything down. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up Facebook on your device. Once you're logged into your account, look for the Marketplace icon. It's typically located on the bottom menu bar if you're on mobile, or on the left side if you're using a desktop. Click on that to enter the Marketplace. Now that you're in the Marketplace, it's time to head into your account settings by clicking on the gear or settings icon. This will be your central hub for tweaking any of your Marketplace preferences. Once you're in settings, you'll see an option labeled Manage Vacation Mode. Select that to proceed. At this point, you'll be taken to the vacation mode page. Here, you have the option to turn the feature on. Activating vacation mode essentially means temporarily pausing your listings from being active, which is incredibly handy if you're planning to be unavailable for some time. An additional feature that comes with this setting is the ability to customize a seller message. This is a thoughtful touch as it allows you to communicate directly with potential buyers who might still view your listings, informing them of your temporary unavailability. Think about what you want to say, perhaps the dates you'll be away, or a polite request for patience, and enter that message in the provided section. Once you've entered your message and are ready, click on Done or Save to apply these changes, and just like that, you've effectively put your listings on hold with vacation mode. To ensure everything is in place, you may want to check your Marketplace view again. Return to the main Facebook page, click on Marketplace, and then look at the selling section. This will give you an overview of your listings, confirming they are now inactive and safe in vacation mode. Remember, when you're back and ready to resume business, you'll need to deactivate vacation mode. Go through similar steps to the ones above, only this time toggle the feature off, allowing your items to become visible once again. That wraps up today's tutorial. Now you can enjoy some time off with peace of mind, knowing your listings are securely paused. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips on utilizing social media tools effectively. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.